How to download and install the Notepad++ for your Windows 11 computer. So hey guys, if you are also wishing to download and install the Notepad++ for your Windows 11 computer, then this video is for you. So all you will need to do is simply follow these easy steps listed out in this video. Downloading Notepad++ is generally a good idea for users who regularly write code, edit text files, or need a more advanced text editor than the default Windows Notepad. It offers features like syntax highlighting, code folding, and various plugins, making it a more versatile and efficient tool for coding and text editing tasks. So let me show you how you can download and install the Notepad++ on your Windows 11 computer. So to do this, the first thing that you will be required to do is open any particular web browser of your choice, be it the Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge or both the Mozilla Firefox or any web browser that you prefer. So in my case, I will be using the Google Chrome. Then once you have successfully opened your web browser, simply search for Notepad++ download. And once you have searched that, hit the enter button. And now under the search results, you can see this first link from notepad++.org that says downloads Notepad++. So simply click onto the downloads, and under the downloads you can see there are a variety of versions ranging from version 8.8.1 all the way down to 8.4, 8.1, and all of the versions of Notepad++. So since we would like to download the most latest version, then we can find this at the top. So as here you can see, this is the most recent version currently as making of this video, that is the version 8.8.1. So this is a stable auto update triggered version. So basically it will automatically detect the system type and will install the particular structure or the architecture according to your system. So you don't have to worry about selecting a 32 or a 64 specific architecture version. It will work on both of them. So simply click onto this first link, and here you can see it has also automatically detected my version, my system architecture, that is the version 64, and the release date is right here. So simply click onto this download button, and here you can see I have accidentally pressed it 2 times, but it is currently being downloaded. So let us wait for this installer package to get downloaded, and once this will successfully get downloaded, we will try to install the Notepad++ from this particular downloaded file. So let us wait for the same. So as here you can see that the installer has been successfully downloaded. So let us click onto this open button to launch the installation process. You might receive a dialog box on which you need to click yes, and then in the installer it will ask you to select a language. I will choose English, and then I will click OK, and here it says welcome to Notepad++ version 8.8.1 setup. Setup will guide you through the installation of Notepad++. So click on to the next, and then you need to agree to this license agreement. So to you may also want to read if you want, and then click onto this I agree button, and from here it will ask you for a destination folder where you want to install the Notepad++, and it will give you a space estimate that the space required to install Notepad++ is around 12.7 megabytes, whereas the available space is 62.6 gigabyte. So simply click onto the next button from here, and from here you have some other components that you can choose from. So basically almost all of the components are already tick marked. If you also want to enable the localization, you can simply click onto this check mark. The localization will automatically import your favorite languages. So if you want that, you can enable that. Apart from that, all other check marks are already enabled. So simply click onto the next button, and from here you have some further options, that is to either create a shortcut on desktop, and then the next option is to show installation details if you want. So I will also check mark this option and then click onto this install button, and here you can see that the installation is being successfully carried out. So let us wait for the installation to finish, and here you can see that the installation will be soon finished. And here you can see that the installation is complete and the setup was completed successfully. So simply click onto the next button and you can run the Notepad++ with this check mark on, and you need to click onto this finish button once it says, and here you can see that the Notepad++ has been successfully installed into our computer system. So that's how easily you can install and download the Notepad++ for your Windows 11 computer. So that's it for this video. If this video was any helpful to you, consider giving it a like. Tell us in the comments how it went for you, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.